Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Sienna key fob battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type for your specific key fob, which is often a CR2032. You'll also want to gather a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. Begin by locating the emergency key and its release button on your key fob. Once you have your tools ready, press the release button and slide out the emergency key from the bottom of the fob. Next, look for a small notch or slot where the emergency key was housed. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the fob open, carefully pry out the old battery, making sure to note which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Now it's time to install the new battery. Take your fresh battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Make sure the battery is seated firmly and correctly within its slot. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely shut, ensuring there are no gaps. With your key fob reassembled, it's time to test its functionality. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors, and test any other buttons like the trunk release or panic alarm. Confirm that all functions respond correctly. If everything works, you're all set. And for more great tips on managing your finances, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.